All right, you guys, it is time for another glorious book haul, and I am excited. So I recently made a huge purchase from Christianbook that has some of our curriculum next year. It has some board games and just some fun learning resources that we're probably going to be using over the summer. And I thought that it would be fun to show you guys, to show you all the possibilities that are out there for your homeschool. So I will start with the fun stuff first, which is, it's all fun. It's curriculum is fun, at least for moms. I don't know why that is, but it is. So I got my kids the Pete the Cat Missing Cupcakes game. It says, join Pete the Cat and his friends as they work together to get their missing cupcakes back from Grumpy Toad. Players collect colorful cupcakes as they sing songs, act out physical activities, and identify favorite animals, foods, and words in this fun board game. It is a game of luck, simple strategy, and memory that changes every time it is played. My kids love the Pete the Cat books, so I thought that they would enjoy a board game to play, you know, here and there on our homeschooling days. And if you guys have been around for any length of time, you know that my daughter absolutely loves the Berenstain Bears. So I got her God Made the Seasons, so then I can also read this with my toddler. He can learn about seasons, but these are all beginning reader books. And I got her Faith Gets Us Through. It's a great way to grow in our our faith through stories about bears. And then the Berenstain Bears Show Some Respect. And then the last game I got is Rock, Paper, Scissors. This sounded fun. It says, here's the fun and fast card game version of the game kids have played for generations. Each player lays down a card. If your card beats your opponent's card, you take it. When all cards have been played, the player who has collected the most cards wins the game. And so in my last Christian book haul video, I showed you guys we got Taco Takeover, and that has... We are an Uno loving family, you guys, but I think that is like a close second favorite in our house because that is such a fun game. So I decided that whenever I'm on their website, I'm just going to look for random games that I've never heard of to try. And so I'm really excited to see if this is as much of a winner as that game is. I highly recommend that game, by the way. It is so much fun. I will link all of this stuff down below to include Taco Takeover. That's like chef's kiss of the gaming world. But I figured that I would try out random games on their website just to see if we have as much fun with new ones as we have with that one. I had never heard of that game before, and it's not something that I would have normally purchased, but I saw it on their website. It was very inexpensive compared to what it was on Amazon at the time, and we had so much fun playing with it. So I'm like, maybe Christian Books is the place to go for games. So if you guys have been following us for a little bit, you know that we changed our math curriculum to Math UC this year. And I feel like for my first grader, it has really left some gaps. I'll talk more in a later video when I kind of wrap up our homeschool year and all of my thoughts on our curriculum. But it has not really touched on money skills, calendar, and time. So I ordered her a calendar workbook from Amazon, but from Christian Book, I got her the Evan Moore Learning About Money book, just so she can brush up on some of the money skills that she's been lacking. And then the Evan Moore Telling Time, just so she can also kind of review clocks and telling time and things like that. Now, if you guys have not checked out Christian Book for your curriculum, I would highly suggest going there and just price matching, you know, to get the best deal for your money, because I have found that they either have sales on their curriculum, so it ends up being cheaper than sometimes Amazon or the curriculum company's website, or sometimes it'll be the same price, but you just get free shipping from there, and that is, you know, a blessing on its own, because I cannot stand dropping almost $200 for a curriculum and then still having to pay $200 or pay shipping just to get it to me. It's ridiculous. So, and that's not what the video is about. So that's neither here nor there. I just, you know, if you have that despise of paying for shipping when you're already paying so much for a curriculum, then let me know down below that I'm not alone. But I got her the All About Reading Level 3 from them. Now we are currently working our way through Level 1, but she is flying through it, and she's going to be finishing that up actually in the next couple of days. So we are going to be jumping into Level 2, and our homeschool year has not even ended. So I'm sure that sometime as we get into next year, she's going to go from Level 2 to Level 3, and I wanted to have it already on hand and already prepped. Now, I do have a video on how I prep All About Reading. You don't have to prep it that way, but I am very type A, and I like to have it already done before we even start it, because I don't want to get into the curriculum and then, you know, have to prep it each day as we go along. That would drive me crazy, and then I feel like we would fall behind because I would be trying to juggle prepping with the baby and the toddler and then teaching my other kids. It's just, I want it prepped before. So I got it pretty far in advance, but here's the teacher's manual, and if you guys want to see how I prep it, I'll link that video up above. And then here is the student activity pack, the stickers that come with it, and then the flashcards. And next year for math, because I feel like there were some gaps with Math UC for her, I went ahead and ordered Apologia's Level 2 Math. I've heard so many great things about Apologia's math, and I'm so excited to dive into this. I haven't even I literally just opened the boxes like 5 minutes ago, so I haven't even had a chance to open it. I'm currently looking at it right now. So that is our entire Christian book haul. Let me know what you guys think. Is there anything here that you guys have already used and loved? Have you tried any of those games? I'm really excited to start playing those with the kids. And let me know if there's anything on your list from Christian book that you are looking to buy, because I'm always getting ideas from you guys, and my husband's probably sick of me shopping. It's fine. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.